Preposition quiz at, in, on. Pause for more time. 10 exercises. Let's go. 1. I'll see you 2 o'clock. At, in, on. I'll see you at 2 o'clock. 2. She exercises the afternoon. At, in, on. She exercises in the afternoon. 3. I wake up dawn. At, in, on. I wake up at dawn. 4. I'm off Fridays. At, in, on. I'm off on Fridays. 5. I eat cake my birthday. At, in, on. I eat cake on my birthday. 6. His birthday is July. At, in, on. His birthday is in July. 7. World War II ended 1945. At, in, on. World War II ended in 1945. 8. I will start a new job a month. At, in, on. I will start a new job in a month. 9. The car will be ready Tuesday afternoon. At, in, on. The car will be ready on Tuesday afternoon. 10. The movie begins 10:15. At, in, on. The movie begins at 10:15. How did you do?